This is a Brother label printer. Yours might look a little bit different from this because there are many different models, but most of them use batteries of some sort. And they oftentimes use a lot of batteries. And if you're not using the label printer all the time, the batteries will run dead. So it's kind of a hassle to keep having to put new batteries in there. So this one uses 6 AAA batteries. There is, however, an option to all these batteries. There's a DC input port for DC 7 to 9 volts, so you can use an AC to DC power adapter like this one to power the label printer just when you need to use it, which is great for my intermittent use, or probably most people's intermittent use of the label printer. So what's strange about this port, though, is that it's got the positive on the outside and the negative on the inside. This is the reverse of most power adapters. Most power adapters have negative on the outside, positive on the inside, because you want the ground to be on the outside of the connector. So I had to buy a special power adapter. This one came off of Amazon. It works with a whole bunch of different models of label printer. This power adapter, you can see, has the positive on the outside and the negative on the inside, just like this Brother label printer needs. If you want to know where you can buy this power adapter, check down below in the description and I'll have a link down there. So let's check it out and see how this works. I'm going to plug in the power adapter, plug in to the label printer. There we go. We've got power. Looks like it works just fine with no batteries in it. It's really awesome. A lot more convenient. Well, I think I can call that a great success. If you want to know where you can buy this power adapter, check down below in the description and I'll have a link down there.